All right, here's another full sewer repipe by J.A. Flores Plumbing. And this is the install 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC. That's the city tap. All right, hey guys, here we go. We have another complete sewer repipe by J.A. Flores Plumbing. Here's our PVC 3-inch Schedule 40 embedded properly on with the slope, connected to the city tap right there with the 3-inch test tee to test the system. Traveling upstream, 45 under the sidewalk, tunneled under the sidewalk with two two-way cleanouts for cleaning purposes. Here we went underneath the sidewalk. We got two two-way cleanouts. Here's our line coming under the sidewalk.
If you need any
going under the slab.
Any work done. Here's the finished product.
Nice install. Here we are underneath the sidewalk.
Complete
two-way cleanouts.
Pipe. This is our finished product. And
under the slab.
At them
with the approved hanging hardware from the slab. Galvanized.
New
clean install.
Ball valve. They
straight
like
out.
That. Easy shut off.
This is how we like it. Give us a call, J.A. Flores Plumbing, 469-503.
Finished product, guys. Give us a call, 972-295.
There's our info.
7348.